Now we need to implement the stack using queues. So we will be having two queues here. We'll be having two queues here. We need to implement a stack. So it's just similar to the uh, implementing queue using two stacks. It's just like have being push and pop, implementing a push and pop using a NQ and DQ. The process is, for suppose we are enqueuing 1 here, 2, 3, 4. When we, so pushing is same, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. This is good. Again, the NQ operation can, push operation can be done using an NQ in the WOF one time. What about the pop? When we DQ it, we will get 1, but what we need to get this one. So what else we can do? The same thing, NQ all those 1, 2, 3 till you left with 4. Pop it and DQ it. So DQ all, NQ in this here, same 1, 2, 3 will be here. Pop it, DQ it. DQ will give us the pop operation. So 4 will be popped. That is, we have copied all the n minus 1 elements in the queue. Now you want to maintain into the same one, so copy it back to the queue. 1, 2, 3 you will have, and whenever we unqueue it for next 5 and then 6, again you want to dequeue it. So 1 is not there, 2 is popped. Now as per the stack, when we pop it, what we need to get? 6 needs to be there, but in the dequeue operation it can't. So dequeue till these elements and then dequeue this will give us the popped element 6, and then again, so these are dequeued and enqueued into the second queue, and now again copy it into the same. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5 would be again in the q1. The same concept, similar concept, is just that implementing the stack using the two queues. We will code this out now. We'll be given a function, so that will be public implement stack. Okay, what does the stack? First, initially we need to have two queues. This is q1, and then public q2 is equal to new queue. We have two queues now. What are all the operations? Push and pop. Now the first method, public push. Push will give us an element int x. Now push this element into the q1. That means q1 dot enqueue of x. That just pushes into the queue, and that is the push operation. What is the pop? This pop will give us some element similar to that implementation of queue using stacks. Pop. What we need to do now? We need to dequeue while the q1 dot count is greater than 1, q2 dot enqueue of q1 dot dequeue is just fill the q2. Once it is done and one element left in the done, q1 dot, so x equal to q1 dot peak, and then dequeue it. Done, and return this. Return x would be at the end, but before that, before we returning it, we need to copy back. So the same thing, while q2 dot count greater than 0 this time, because we need to copy all those. q1 dot nq of q2 dot dq. This is done now, and then finally return x. This will give us the pop operation. That is it.